Hello everybody, we are going to work on bash script for file backup. We will create a bash script that automate a script to backup specific directories to another location. For example, in this script I am going to backup or make a backup or a copy of my all directories which I have in my desktop, and I will make a backup of copy of them in a zip file to another directory. For example, I have documents. You can also backup to your for example external hard drive or other drives, or anywhere you want to make a backup. So as I told you, I have in this web blocker which I am going to work on bash scripting ideas for solving problems. So as the last video we work on file renamer, in this video I am going to work on file backup, like automate a script to backup specific directories to another location. So for source code you can access to this blog afgfans.blogspot.com, and then you can access to this source code. So let's go to open a text editor and give it name as file.backup.sh and save it in desktop. So first I will type hash exclamation mark bin bash. This is the bash which they are calling to the bash language. So that will be appearing all the scriptings every time while it's just a comment. So if you use this or not, that's not a problem, but always you can just will type it to call to the bash script. So define directories to backup, to be backed up. So first of all we will define the directories to be backed up. So source directory is our home, user and desktop. Sorry, that's my directory is a mistake, so only we will go with home, username and backup desktop. And then our backup directory is our home, username and documents. So I'm going to backup from desktop whatever documents and also directories I have, I will backup to my documents. So let's create a timestamp for the backup file. While I backup, the important is that when did I backup the file, so that's the timestamp. And bash script, if you want to access to time and date, you can use the timestamp. So timestamp is equal to $date, which is the class, y is year, m is month, and d is date, and underscore, h is for hour, m is for minutes, and s is for seconds. So backup file, backup, and then timestamp, and .tr.gz, gz. This will be the backup file name. While we backup our directories, the name will be backup, and the timestamp will be the timestamp which we have given at the above line, and then this will be creating a zip file. In this way I'm using tar.gz. This is a zip system for the Unix, Linux systems. And now we are going to perform backup. So for performing, first I will echo a statement which is basically write starting backup. Now let me explain this star minus CZF and quote it with $backup directory / backup file closes with again space quoted with source directory which is greater than 2, which 2 is greater than /dev/null. So tar is a command line utility used for archiving files and directories. Now -czf, these options are used with tar which while archiving files. So -c creates a new archive, -z compresses the archive using gzip, and -f specifies the archive file name. So this czf has this tree name. So here backup null, and also now we will check for our backup if it's successful or not. So for that we will give a condition if statement if it is equal to 0, then echo backup completed successfully, then it will show the backup file. And then we will else we will give if it doesn't backup, if there is a problem in our code, or there is problem in a system or in the directory, so it will show backup failed, and then we will close our if statement. So let's open terminal and run our script. So for that we will open the terminal and we will go to cd desktop, which is my desktop directory, and I have the file backup.sh, which is my the actual script code of the bash. And so I will execute that. So I will write chmod +x, and then I will write the backup file .sh, file backup.sh, which is my the file the script name. And then for see if I run, so there was no problem, then I will type /file backup _backup.sh, which will call to the backup, and then we will run. For this we will press enter and see now it's completely starting backup, and now it's completely successful. Backup completed successful, and it's given the name backup 2023 December 19 and 190052 tar.gz, which is the file extension. Now let's check it. So for that we will go to our home directory, then we will go to the documents, and document C we have our backup file. So we'll open this. So this is our backup file. We will extract it to here, and we will, once we extract it, you can see that our all desktop files are inside this folder, which is backed up already. Now we will go to our desktop. You see I have these files: Python with application, file backup.sh, and I have the my directory, and also I have renamer.sh. So this all are in one place, and it's backed up. So thank you so much. This was the simple program which you can write a bash script to automate a script to backup file specific directories to another location. Thank you so much.